Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about disk cleanup and how it can help improve the performance of computer. Whether you power on the computer for everyday tasks, disk cleanup is a simple but important step you can take to keep your computer running smoothly. Over time, as you use your computer, it will accumulate a large number of files, temporary files, and other data that can take up valuable disk space. This can slow down your computer and impact its performance. But don't worry, disk cleanup is here to help. Disk cleanup is a feature built into Windows that allows you to easily remove temporary files, system files, and other unnecessary data that's taking up space on your hard drive. To access disk cleanup in Windows, simply go to the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, and select the Disk Cleanup application. You then see a list of categories of files that you can delete, including temporary files, system files, recycle bin contents, and more. It's important to review the contents of each category before selecting files to delete. Remember, some system files are critical to the functioning of your operating system, and deleting them can cause problems. If in doubt, it's best to leave a certain category of files unselected. Once you select the files to delete, click Delete Files, and wait for the disk cleanup process to finish. And that's it. Disk cleanup will free up valuable disk space, improve your computer's performance, and help keep your system running smoothly. The frequency at which you should perform disk cleanup in Windows depends on your usage habits and the amount of data you generate. However, it's generally a good idea to do it at least once a month to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. If you use your computer intensively, you may want to do it more frequently. Additionally, if you notice your computer slowing down or running out of space, it may be a good indication that it's time to perform a disk cleanup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next video.